See, can you hear them? Let's go around and bend it. And bend it a lot. Now spin now. Welcome everyone. This is my work. This big cow. This young baby. That's my animals. So when I was little, I have two cows. Yes, feed them and the wheat and the grass and water, all that to drink well. Rapping, and the string, come on, and the hammer. And this is the big camera. And this is the small one, this is the big one. Look through. This is yellow. This is body. I make it separate. This is body, bones, string. This one, string here is one. So zebra, big mouse. Wow! And this is the pillows. And this is happy. And the cows make happy and sing. I like a music. I like a music. I like a music. So this is bird flying. Let go.